Hello, I'm Atikalia Savitri. I will present about the effect of Islamic branding, product quality and price on consumer purchase decision for Wardah product in Semarang. Cosmetics are a very important product for women because in addition to meeting the basic need of beauty, cosmetics are often also meant to clarify social identity in the eyes of society. In Indonesia, the cosmetic industry has experienced quite rapid growth. Some local cosmetic brands produced by companies in Indonesia include Viva, Emina, Makeover, MS Glow, and Wardah. Of the several cosmetic brands in Indonesia, Wardah is a cosmetic brand that is quite popular among women. Wardah products themselves have good product quality and are quite affordable. When buying a product, there are a number of common factors that can influence the consumer decision to choose the product. These common factors, for example, are the ease of access, product display, product quality, affordable price, and attractive promotion. Based on the above, the research is interest in research the influence of Islamic branding, product quality, and price on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang. Therefore, this study aimed to find out and explain the influence of Islamic branding on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang. To find out and explain the influence of product quality on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang. To find out and explain the influence of price on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang, as well as to find out and explain the influence of Islamic branding, product quality, and price on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang. A purchase decision is an action that by consumer to buy or not to buy a product. Purchase decision can also be interpreted as a decision-making process to buy or not to buy a product. This process begins with awareness of a desire or fulfillment of a need. Islamic branding is a brand that is in accordance with Islamic Sharia or Halal, originating from Islamic countries and whose target market is Muslim consumer. Product quality. Product quality is the ability of a product to meet the wishes of a consumer or customer. This desire can be in the form of product durability, product reliability, ease of use, and other attributes. Price. Price is the only element in the marketing mix that is often used by consumer as a consideration in making purchase. The type of research used in this study is quantitative research. In this study, the population is questioned in the entire community in Semarang city whose exact number is unknown. In this study, to find out how many samples will be used, the research used the Lemeshow formula as the basis of consideration Romanti. The sample in this study was 97 respondents. In this study, samples were taken use a non-probability sampling technique, use a purposive sampling technique. The data measurement scale used in this study is the Likert scale. The validity test in this study was carried out by comparing the values or F calculation and R table. The result of the validity test in this study are as follows. Based on the table, the result of validity testing on all indicators of Islamic branding, product quality, price, and purchase decision obtain a calculated value greater than the air table. So it can be concluded that all the statement items in this research questionnaire have met the data validity requirement. The reliability test in this study was carried out to find out how far the measuring tool can be trusted or relied on. The results of the reliability test on this research instrument are as follows. The regression equation analysis was carried out to determine the magnitude of the consent value and the influence of Islamic branding, product quality, and price on purchase decision. The result of the regression analysis can be seen in the following table. Testing F in this study was carried out to find out whether the variable of Islamic branding, product quality, and price together on the variable of purchase decision. The result of the F-test carried out with the help of IBM SPSS statistical version 24 for Windows software are as follows. The determination coefficient test in this study was carried out to find out how much the Islamic branding variable, product quality, and price are able to explain and influence purchase decision. The result of the determination coefficient test in this study are as follows. The partial hypothesis test in this study used a significance level of 5%. The magnitude of the t-calculation can be seen in the following table. Simultan hypothesis test in this study used a significance level of 5%, while the magnitude of F calculation can be seen in the following table. Discussion. This study has present data on the influence of Islamic branding, product quality, and price on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang. This study found that of the 3 independent variables studied, there were 2 independent variables that significant affect consumer purchase decision, namely the Islamic branding variable and the price variable. Meanwhile, product quality variable do not affect purchase decision. Based on the result of the data analysis that has been carried out by the research, it can be concluded that Islamic branding has a significant effect on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang. Product quality does not have a significant effect on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang. Price has a significant effect on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang, as well as Islamic branding, product quality, and price together have a positive and significant effect on consumer purchase decision on Wardah product in Semarang. Limitation. In this study, there are various limitations and shortcomings that may affect the result of the study. The various limitations are the limitation of literature material and previous research that make the study have limitation in explaining research variable, the lack of understanding of respondent in understanding the research questionnaire, so that there is a possibility of inaccurate research result.